Hi guys, I'm Sarah Margaret, and today we're going to be talking about how to take care of fescue grass. This grass is widely known for staying green year-round and is one of the most popular choices of grasses in the United States. It is especially popular in the middle and northern U.S. because it can handle cold temperatures. It is also resistant to many diseases that can affect other types of grasses. So, fescue grass can handle poor soil types like clay and sandy soil, and it grows in bunches with roots that are 2 to 3 feet deep. There are several varieties of fescue grass used for lawns, including tall fescue, hard fescue, chewing fescue, creeping red fescue, and fescue blends. Now, fescue grass will stay green year-round if given the proper nutrients and care, and today that's what we're going to be talking about. Now, for mowing, fescue grass should be kept at 2 to 3 inches long. You should mow your fescue grass every 2 to 3 weeks as needed and every week during the spring. Now, with overseeding can help fill in bare patches and holes within the yard. Fescue grass will germinate and grow in the cool weather of fall. The best time to overseed is in the fall when the soil temperatures drop below 65 degrees. If you are planting a new lawn, the easiest way to do this is with sod. The next thing you should be doing to take care of your fescue grass is aerating. Soil can become compacted, making it harder for air, water, and nutrients to reach the roots of the turf. Aerating breaks up this compaction to allow for growth. Aerating once a year can help the lawn from becoming too compacted. The next thing you should be doing to take care of your fescue grass is fertilizing. Lawns often lack the nutrients needed to grow and thrive. Fertilizer adds these missing nutrients back into the lawns to help the lawn grow thicker and healthier, which in turn will ward off weeds and disease. You can have your soil tested to see what kind of nutrients your soil is lacking. You should be fertilizing your fescue grass 2 to 4 times a year based on what your soil analysis says. Next, to take care of your fescue grass, you should make sure you're watering it. Now, fescue does not require a lot of water to grow and stay green year-round, but it'll benefit from the occasional deep watering when rain falls below 1 inch per week. The last thing you should be doing to take care of your fescue grass is weed and disease control. You should be spraying herbicides on your fescue grass to make sure these weeds do not grow. For diseases in fescue grass, fungus and bacterial diseases can quickly damage a lawn. You can use fungicides in your fescue grass to prevent diseases. You should also make sure you're preventing pests in your fescue grass by spraying insecticides. So I hope that you guys were able to learn a little bit more about how to take care of fescue grass. I'm Sarah Margaret with Homestead Carolina, and I hope that you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Bye!